Blenders are an essential kitchen appliance, especially if you like to make smoothies at home, but they often take up a lot of space on the counter and cabinets. That's what makes personal blenders so convenient. Not only are they space-saving in the sense that they're more compact than full-size models, but they also minimize the number of containers you need in the kitchen, because you drink from the same cup you blend in. There are many options for accessible blender, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I did a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top cheap blender from faithful manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following expansive investigation, I invented that these products are quite favorable for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any more delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BN401 Personal Blender. Taking everything into account, the Ninja nutribullet Pro is the top personal blender we tested. Its 1100-watt motor, the most powerful on this list, can handle frozen fruit and leafy greens without a problem. It blends tasty smoothies and completely crushes ice in practically no time, thanks to its dedicated auto programs that automatically set the time and pulse patterns. The display also has a countdown timer, so you know exactly how much longer it needs to blend. During our testing, we even found that it makes the perfect chunky salsa, something most of the other personal blenders we tried failed at. Number 2. nutribullet Personal Blender. nutribullet is a well-known brand for a reason. Its personal blenders get the job done, and the original model is a highly rated bestseller. It has a moderate price and is very easy to use, so it's a great option for someone who wants a no-frills option that breaks down fruits and veggies so that seeds and fibers are barely noticeable. For a reasonable price, you get a blender base, a 24 and 18-ounce cup, a to-go lid with spout, and a lip ring for sipping directly from the cup. We also tested the nutribullet Pro and found it to perform almost exactly the same as the original blender. The main difference is, the Pro has a stronger 1000-watt motor and has suction on the bottom of the base to keep it in place on your counter, and it costs $30 more than the original. Number 3. Cuisinart CPB 300-watt blender. Even though Cuisinart's personal blender came with a sticker on it that said crushes ice, we weren't expecting it to actually be able to do that because its motor is only 350 watts. But we were pleasantly surprised with the results. It crushed 6 ounces of ice after just 30 seconds of pulsing, which is much faster than most of the other blenders we tested. The Cuisinart blender also has high and low speed settings. It made a green smoothie that was surprisingly tasty without much effort, but the fruit smoothie didn't yield the results we'd hoped for. There were a lot of seeds left over after blending for a minute and 20 seconds, and it tasted like the smoothies made in some of the cheaper blenders that didn't make this list. Number 4. ZWILLING Enfinigy Blender. All of our testers agree that this ZWILLING Enfinigy blender has a top-notch design that looks more expensive than it really is. The matte black base is sleek and attractive enough to keep on your counter when not in use, and the intuitive dial allows you to precisely control the settings, either manual pulse or automatic smoothie. We were really impressed with the to-go lid, too. Not only does it have a spout that's easy to drink from, but it also has a flip-top design that locks to prevent accidental spills. During testing, the ZWILLING personal blender had especially great results when making fruit smoothies and salsas. In fact, one tester said this blender was the only one so far that got the perfect salsa texture without being smoothie-like. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender. This customer favorite is basically a smaller, less powerful, and more affordable version of the nutribullet. They're made by the same company. Not only is the entire blender very compact, but the 12 and 16-ounce cups are perfect for single servings of smoothies, dips, and more. And they're still very easy to wash, unlike some of the narrower cups we tried. You can fit your hand inside the cup to clean with a sponge, and the shallow blades feel safer to put your hands around. In the majority of our tests, the results came out pretty good, especially for a blender of this size and price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.